Good morning, children. This is Mrs. Sheila Bosco for your science class. Lesson 15, Making Parts. Here we are going to learn three main things. One is what is mud part. Second is how they are making parts. Third is you have to select your friend. Always you should select a friend with good habits. Then only you can learn good habits. Here, one sparrow and a crow are very good friends. Sparrow name is Pagudi and the crow name is Bannet. But what was the agreement? The agreement is if suppose a crow lays eggs, the sparrow will eat. If the sparrow will lay eggs, the crow will eat. They agreed, they became friends. It's not a good thing, no? Laying eggs and give it to someone. No, it is not very nice thing. Okay. Here, the sparrow laid the eggs. Naturally, they agreed for an agreement. So, what happens? Crow started asking, give me the eggs. Okay, Sparrow was little upset and he said, okay, fine, no problem. You want to eat egg? Right, go and wash your beak and come. Which is the beak? The mouth of the birds. Have you seen in the front? It will be in the front. Now, the birds started running for a water source. They saw the river and went to the river, started talking to the river. Give me little water because I have to wash my beak to eat the egg. The river said, okay, fine, you can wash your beak, but you need water in a pot because you cannot directly wash it. You have to take it in a pot and wash it. Wash your mouth. Usually we use tumblers, We will not take directly from the river or a pond and drink water. Usually we won't do it. Either we use our hands or mostly we use our vessels. Mud vessels. Here he is saying, go and bring your pot. Now he goes to a potter. Who is a potter? One who makes the pots. We call him as a potter. He went to the potter. Potter. See, I want to eat an egg. The sparrow said to go wash my beak. Now, when I went to wash my beak, the river said, get a vessel, I'll give you water. I need a pot. The potter said, no, I cannot give you pot directly. I need a clay to make a pot. I need a mud to make a pot. Please bring some mud and I will make a pot and give you. Now, again what happens? It is running to the clay. There was a nice soft clay. He was flying and it was searching for it. At last it is found a hill of clay, a small hill of clay, and then went to the clay pit and asked, clay, look at me. See, myself and sparrow had a agreement to eat the egg. Now I want to eat the egg. Now the sparrow said, I have to wash my beak. I went to the river. The river said, get a pot to fill water. I went to the potter. The potter said to bring the clay. Give me the clay. Then the clay pitter said, see, crow, I can give you clay, but how will you take the clay? You need a trawl. Trawl means like a spade. Like a trawl. Trawl, it's a instrument they use to take the mud or a clay. You need a trawl. Now he goes to another man and asking for a trawl. How he is asking? See, the sparrow and we had an agreement. Now the sparrow said for eating the egg I have to wash my beak. I went to the river. The river said to bring a mud pot. I went to the potter. The potter said to bring a clay. I went to the clay pit. The clay pit said to bring a trawl. Please give me a trawl. Now, then that man said, see, I cannot give a trawl. Go to the blacksmith. See, one who make iron things. Iron things means black color metal. That things we call him as blacksmith. One who makes gold, we call him as goldsmith. When you mix with the silver, we call him as silversmith. See here, go to the blacksmith. Then the blacksmith said, yes, brother Bennett, what do you want? Bennett said, please give me a troll. Then he again described the whole story till the person that I came, what happened. He told that the blacksmith said, sure, you can take the troll, but do remember return it. Okay, the blacksmith is very sweet and gave the troll at last. He took the troll and brought it to the clay pit and took the clay and went into the potter and made the pot, went to the river, took water and started washing the thing. By the time the sparrow's egg hatched, it took a long time because every time he went, it took a day, days together to go to one place. So by the time the egg has become a small baby sparrow. So the agreement, only eating the egg, not baby sparrows. So the sparrow saved the babies. This is what the story is about. The beautiful and very intelligent thinking of a sparrow, and this is the way we have to think about things like this. This is a very beautiful story. You have learnt about how intelligent you have to be. Now you have learnt there are so many new things. How a crow and a sparrow are friends, how they went for agreement, and then you know the water sources. Water sources need a vessel to fill and keep it, and how the potter makes a pot with a wheel. Usually they have a potter's wheel. With that wheel they make a pot. Then what they will do after making the pot, they dry it in the sun. Again they will put it in the firewood. Then only it will be in a condition where you can fill water. It's a very, very, very good vessel. It's because it will not react with any food items. It's a very good thing. Here again, what about the clay? You learned about the clay pit, because the clay is very soft. Now there is no stones in it, so you can make whatever vessels, whatever type of vessels, whatever the shape you wanted, you can make it. Here again, the troll, the blacksmith. You have learnt about the people who make things. See, the last lesson you have learnt about fruit seller, construction workers, school teacher, cobbler, then fruit seller, then flower seller, then post office, postman. All this you have learned. This is also another type of work. The pot maker, how he uses the wheel and beautifully makes the pot. This is another job. It is a very, very respectful job, and this is a very, very artistic one. See, after that you must have seen pot painting. We will do pot painting when we once reach the school. We will make our own pots and we will paint it beautifully, and we will have a exhibition. Okay, children, is there any this one any doubt in it? You can ask me. Here, don't go anywhere out of your house. In front of your house there will be a sand. Take that sand, ask mama to sieve it and give you. Sieve it means tell mama what is sieving. Usually they put the flour and sieve it, with a round plate like thing, they sieve it. All the big stones will be on the top, all the soft mud will be down. Put little water, little by little, make like a wheat dough. Then start making small bowls and small pots, and you can make whatever you like, plates, and then you can make whatever. See, these are all the easy things: plates, bowls, pot, and then you can make vegetables. All that you can make it, put in a nice cover, dry it. Minimum 5 things you make. This is your activity part of it. Minimum 5 things you make it, and color it on it. use a poster color or any other colors. You can use it and color it. If you color it, I'll be happy. Even if you are not colored it, take a photograph and you send it after 15 to 20 days because it has to be dried. It takes the help of mummy. Only sieving part mummy will do. All other things, making and shaping, all that you will do it. Okay, and this is your project. Why did the crow need a pot? Because to fill water. Who all helped the crow to make the pot? How many people helped the thing? Help the pot? The potter, the blacksmith. Then these two people helped, but other things, what all they needed? Different things are needed. Water, clay, all that. What things did the potter need? The potter need water and mud and a potter's wheel. Okay. Are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are this? Yes, there are many utensils. Almost all type of utensils are made. Plate, tumbler, bowls, pots. What else? What else is? All the cooking vessels are made in pots, mud. Okay. Then the thing, imagine all the parts disappear from the world. What will you in your house? Okay, now the activity part is on the page number 99. See that you just go on and make 5 things. You can make a vegetable, you can make a fruit, or you can make any vessels from the house. You make smaller ones. Okay, don't be all the time in the mud. Okay, half an hour. One vessel you make one day, dry it. Another vessel one day. I will give you 20 days time. Okay, all the best. Do well the activity part. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, drawing, you have to draw a potter's wheel and a pot and different kinds of parts. All that will be given in the video. You can see it. Stay safe. Bye bye.